this is Shayla from Perle Makeup. Today I'm just about to hit the gym and I thought I'd do a really quick tutorial on a lightweight gym makeup that I use every day. And of course it will be using the Golden Glow. One thing I just wanted to point out, every time I do go to the gym or anything like that, I am cleansing my face first and making sure that I've got a really clean, fresh application of makeup on. And I do this because there is no scientific fact, and I haven't read anything, so don't quote me on this, but for me personally, I just feel like a really fresh face of makeup, if you are going to do it, is the only way to really go about it. As in, you just don't want to be clogging up your pores and having, you know, a day old makeup or any sort of old product on your face that, you know, or even just like the day-to-day grime that kind of builds up on your face, and then you go and sweat, open up your pores, it gets all in there and it's a little bit gross and that's how you get congestion and pimples and that sort of thing, especially when working out. And that sort of stuff goes for your whole body as well too. It's just something that I've found working out over the years. If I have a nice shower before I go to the gym, make sure I'm nice and clean, I generally find that my pimples on my body and all that kind of stuff, and especially my face, is a lot better. So, going straight into it, all I've done now is just given my face a really fresh cleanse and a bit of moisturizer. Oh, hello Winston, he's come to join us. Okay, and I'm just going to go straight in with the Golden Glow. I'm not mixing the moisturizer and the Golden Glow today. I'm just going to put them on separately. I find that by doing this, I'm just going to get a little bit more coverage with this. And also, I must note as well too, something that I have noticed with doing this routine after cleansing, if I haven't dried my face completely, so if I'm doing it without having a shower, if you do have any residue of water on your face, it can stop it from blending in that little bit. So just make sure it's all nice and dry. So perfect. Okay, we're going to go straight in with the Golden Glow. Just going to use a couple of drops. Yeah, perfect. So I'm sort of maybe towards the end of my tan. I probably will scrub it off in the next day or two and start it fresh. So it's definitely got a bit of color difference going on between my face and my body, but I'm not as dark as what I would usually be. Perfect. Here we go. So going straight on. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. We'll just have a little check. Very nice. So very natural. This is perfect for gym and that sort of thing because it feels like you've got nothing on at all. And I'm actually just going to go put a little bit more on. I feel like most of it went into my hands then. Yes, so perfect for the gym because it's so lightweight and it feels like nothing on your skin. So when you're getting all sweaty and that sort of thing, the last thing you want is to feel like you've got makeup on. You just want to make sure that your skin can breathe and all that kind of stuff. Beautiful. So when you're putting it on its own, just make sure that you've got it blended in around the eye sockets there and around the nose, as well around your mouth. So just any of those sort of areas where makeup can build up. And another little trick too is if you're starting to get a little bit patchy with your tan, is that you can blend it right down and sort of, you know, help blend in any patchiness around your décolletage as well too. Awesome. Then basically all I would do is just a little bit of mascara, lip tint, and that's about it. So I'm usually getting ready to go to the gym either really early in the morning or quite late at night. I don't like to go there when it's quite busy. So yeah, it's very, very minimal. I might put a gel through my eyebrows just because they get a little bit wild. But yeah, I'll show you guys the end result and put this on fast forward so you don't have to sit through it. Cool. So there you have it guys, basically that's it. So I've just got a little bit of lip gloss, my eyebrows combed through, a bit of mascara, no blush, no powder. I just want to keep it really fresh and light. I want my skin to be able to breathe. And I also want to look like I'm not the Walking Dead as well too. So this is kind of how I do it. I thank Golden Glow every day because it helps me be able to do this, whereas before I never really had a product that I could put on that was so lightweight and gave me a little bit of colour, but not coverage. I just wanted to look my natural self, just that little bit more enhanced. Yeah, I hope this is helpful and a little bit more insightful into sort of helping you cleanse your face and that sort of thing, because it was one of those things that actually took me a little while to work out with my breakouts and that sort of thing, just going to the gym straight after work and that sort of stuff. It pays to give your face a good cleanse, get that makeup off, it helps your skin breathe, and then you can even just pop a little bit of your Golden Glow on over the top to give you that little bit of colour, and leave your eye makeup on so you feel like you've still got that going on for yourself. But yeah, just get that foundation off and it helps a lot with your pores, especially when sweating. So anyway, thanks so much guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and yeah, give us any feedback as well too. We love hearing the stories and how people are loving to wear it and all that kind of stuff. See you later, bye!